The shoulder is a significant body part that helps us with many basic movements. Here are 5 shoulder exercises to help you create strong, healthy shoulders. SilverSneakers.com has many classes to help you with your healthy lifestyle. Come join us. The first shoulder exercise I want to show you is front delt. Front rises. We'll be using hand weights. You can use any size you want. I'll be using 7 pounds. With the hands in front with an overhand grip, nice tall lifted posture, start with a long arm lift in front of your body. Arms long, but not locked out. Lift and lower at a slow, controlled pace, finding the work and the engagement in the shoulder. For added intensity, either add heavier weight or bring both arms up together. See if you can maintain your posture. Second shoulder exercise move, bent arm shoulder fly. With your elbows bent, arms in front, lift the bent arm, elbow up to shoulder level out to the side of your body, focusing again on the control. Alternating your arms to start, maintaining your posture. For added intensity, try both at the same time. Find your breath, lift up tall in your posture. Try to make sure your upper shoulders are down and back with a nice long neck. Let's do 4 more. Whew. The third exercise is the back of your shoulders, the rear delt. High row. In this position, we'll open up our legs a little wider, hinge slightly from the hips, bring the hands in front, draw your shoulder blades down and back, overhand grip, alternate a lifted elbow while working on the rear delt. Start alternating. Think about maintaining your posture, knowing you can always stand up tall to reset, hinge back at the hips. For added intensity, try both arms at the same time, squeezing your upper back, posterior delts together. Find your breath, maintain your braced core. Meet me standing. The next exercise, your shoulder extension or shoulder press. Set it up like this, the racked position with your elbows soft, weights in front. Alternating your arms straight up above your head in front. It's a little less tension on your shoulder. Control the weight up and down, work with your ability. Maintain your posture. Breathe as you go through the work, engaging your shoulder. You can always reset your body, come back to the racked position, and for added intensity, both weights together. Let's try 4 more. 4, 3. The last exercise that we tend to forget are our shrugs. Those are the small little muscles that go along our neck that connect our shoulders to our upper back. Rhomboid area, trapezius area. Lift and lower your shoulders in a shrug fashion. Lift and squeeze and lower down. Try to still keep your tall posture, including your neck. Lift and lower. Can you pause at the top and engage your shoulders? Feel your upper back squeezing. Putting all 5 exercises together in a sequence, starting with your front shoulder rise. Let's do 4 of these. Now 4 together. Next, bend elbow, shoulder fly. Rest if you need to. Can you progress up to both shoulders together? Moving to the back of our shoulder, hinge at your hips, find your tall posture, put the weights in front as you alternate for a high row, rear delt. How about progressing to both at the same time? Shoulder press. Rack your weights, alternate a full extension above and in front of your head. How about both at the same time? Can you join me? Last, shoulder shrugs. Lift your shoulders and squeeze all the muscles in the back of your neck, pulling your shoulders up and back. Let's do 4 more. Focus on your shoulders twice a week with up to 8 reps of each exercise we just did. Remember to come and subscribe at SilverSneakers.com. I'm looking forward to our next session together.